Hey, I'm Mary. As a child grows, breastfeeding continues to provide nutritional and emotional benefits. Complementary foods can be introduced around 6 months of age, while breastfeeding continues to supply essential nutrients and immune protection. Extended breastfeeding, when culturally accepted and supported, can continue to strengthen the bond between mother and child and contribute to overall health and well-being. Ultimately, breastfeeding is a shared responsibility. While the mother plays the central role, support from fathers, families, healthcare providers, employers, and society as a whole is essential. When mothers feel supported, respected, and informed, they are more likely to have a positive breastfeeding experience. By investing in breastfeeding education and support, societies invest in healthier mothers, stronger children, and a brighter future for generations to come. Thanks. Please remember to subscribe.